Hey, I just want to make a quick recording showing I'm solving this issue with the Maya preview of LookdevX. So this is Substance Painter, and everything looks great. You can see there's this little normal map contribution here, which looks really good. And if I switch over to Maya, I attached the normal map, and I'm getting some weird gyrations here. Also, it's giving me an error that says normal map port tangent no requires a tangent reader connection. Do not know what that means. If I try deleting this, you can see the normal map goes away. All the other maps that are set to float and color 3 seem to work, but when I attach the normal, if I just attach the normal straight to it, it also does the same thing. It looks like something bumpy is happening there, but obviously this is not right. So the suggestion was to use a normal map math node. So I do this, plug it back in, and I'm getting this error. I don't know what to set up here. And if I go here, this node type is already set to float, space tangent. If I go back to object, it doesn't do anything either. So I don't know what the deal is here, what I'm supposed to change. Some help with that. And also, huge issue, notice up here on the upper left, up right on top of my outliner, I don't know how this happened, but after the last time I quit and reopened Maya with this file, I get this weird phantom timeline sitting right up here. It won't go away if I move the bar here. You can just see it's like this weird floating thing, and it happens, I think, just with this scene. It's weird. If I make a new Maya file, let's see if it shows up. Okay, it's not there. I take my timeline back to here. We're not seeing anything. But if I go and open that file, look at that. It just pops up right in here. So I don't know what's going on. Somehow this file got corrupted, but you can see, like, when I hover my cursor over it, it sees that it's sensing that the cursor's over at the end here when I'm right here, which is really weird. See if I can collapse the tab. Yeah, there's still some weird. Yeah, I don't get it. Let's see if I can. So you can see it kind of still peeking in right there. If I try to re-expand it, yeah, it's still hanging out. So that's kind of puzzling. I don't know if that's a graphics card driver issue. I mean, I've got the latest version of NVIDIA. I'm running a RTX 3090. But yeah, something wonky is happening where I've got this phantom timeline here. Anyhow, the original question remains. I'm just trying to make sure I can export this authored USD stage, which what I did was I have my geometry here, the original, like, my edit version, and then I created the stage, the USD stage. Then I right-clicked and said duplicate as USD data into that stage. And if I pull this up here, oh wait, how do I see there's the editor right there. I don't know why it's not expanding. Come on. I can't pull that up. Something's weird with the, let me see if I can try to reset the, where is it at? If I can reset the environment. Let's see if I just go to reset current workspace. Will that do anything? That seems to have helped with this issue. Okay. And I gotta remember how to get into the USD layer editor right there. So there's the current session, I believe. It was anonymous. I changed it to button.usd, saved it out. And now I have the material size. So if I go here and hide that, this is the version that we're working on. Go back, show LookdevX. And there we go. I'm just having an issue with that normal working properly. So I'm selecting the right one, normal map, math. And even that says right there, even before I hook up, it says it requires that tangent reader connection. So I haven't seen in all the examples, people are just plugging this in and saying I need to use that, and it's not working. And then yeah, when I hook this up, you can see the normal looks off, and I get this weird. I don't even know what that is. Like there's no smoothing group on that. And I changed it to object. Doesn't seem to make a difference. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. But anyhow, those are the remaining issues. Also one quick thing. I just assumed that I'm supposed to be selecting the stage at the very top, and then we do the file export selection where I can now. This was another question I just wanted to get confirmation on is when I'm exporting these materials, do I click USD preview surface? But I'm using material shading, so it's a USD preview surface shader. So I'm a little confused. Is this supposed to be selected and this not selected, or does this also need to be selected because it's the bound shaders export bound shaders? It's USD shade network. I'm kind of confused how this works. If I just try it right now, and let's try saving it as button with Atom. I did this in another directory. I'll sit right here. CZ. And then let's go file new. I'm not gonna save this. Here, I'll just save it. Oh. Okay, now mine just froze. Hello. And my Maya just froze. And I can't do anything. Seriously, I can't get any work done. I can't make progress because stuff just doesn't want to work. And I don't understand why. Oh, see, there's an interesting thing. Apparently, it hides the window behind. I thought Maya froze, but there's the window right there. I've had that happen a couple times too, where it happens behind the main window. I'm like, I think Maya gets borked and it doesn't. Let's go create from file, and now we'll try reading in this. And if I go here, well, material mode, but I'm not seeing any material. And if we go here, oh, guess what? No materials were saved. So even though I had, and you saw me do it because I recorded it, even though you saw me go in and select this and say file export selection, and I had the materials selected and this selected, but not material X selected, nothing got saved on that export. Please someone tell me if I'm doing it just the wrong way, because I know like in FBX exporting, like you have to have the smooth preview off if you want it to work. It's like backwards. So is there some weird thing where I'm not supposed to have something selected for it to work? I just don't get it. So I can't be the only one having this issue, trying to use USD pipeline and learn it the right way and create a stage and duplicate the Maya file over to it and then set up the proper shaders and LookdevX. I mean, I just need to get something that will work. The nice model that I made in Substance Painter, I can't get this over to Radical Composer Pro with animation on it. Instead, I have to go over to RCP and recreate all the shaders there. Why can't I just author this in Maya? I mean, isn't that like the whole point of USD? Is like we're supposed to be able to set up these networks, and I could, do my animation, apply the new materials that were spit out that work, and then just export that out for use in another program. Please, someone help. Thank you.